Are you tired of feeling like you're drowning in debt? Do you dread checking your bank account? Well, you're not alone. Millions of Americans are struggling to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck, and feeling the weight of financial stress. It's a constant battle to pay bills, afford necessities, and maybe even sneak in a little fun. The good news is there's a way out. You can break free from the chains of debt and achieve true financial freedom. This essay is your guide to conquering your financial woes and building a brighter future. We'll explore the common pitfalls that lead to financial instability, and more importantly, we'll equip you with a powerful tool to regain control of your money budgeting. Yes, budgeting. It might not sound glamorous, but it's the key to unlocking your financial potential. This isn't about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about taking charge of your money so it doesn't control you. Get ready to ditch the financial stress and embrace a life of financial peace and abundance. Let's dive in. Imagine this. You're sailing through life, not a financial worry in the world. You're confidently pursuing your dreams, knowing your finances are solid. Sounds pretty great, right? That's the power of a budget. It's not about restricting your life. It's about directing your money towards what truly matters to you. A budget is your financial roadmap, guiding you towards your goals. It's about making conscious choices about your spending and saving. By tracking where your money goes, you gain valuable insights into your spending habits. This awareness is the first step to making positive changes and achieving financial stability. We'll break down the process of creating a budget that works for you step by step. No complicated spreadsheets or financial jargon, just simple, practical advice to get you started. Remember, a budget isn't about deprivation, it's about freedom. Freedom from debt, freedom from stress, and freedom to live life on your own terms. Let's face it, debt is a widespread problem. Statistics paint a stark picture. Millions of Americans are burdened by credit card debt, student loans, and mortgages. It's easy to fall into the debt trap, especially in a society that encourages spending beyond our means. We're bombarded with advertisements tempting us with the latest gadgets, designer clothes, and luxurious vacations. Take Sarah, for example. She worked hard but lived paycheck to paycheck, often relying on credit cards to cover unexpected expenses. The interest rates were killer, and she found herself trapped in a cycle of debt. It felt impossible to break free. Sarah's story is not unique. Countless individuals and families face similar struggles, feeling overwhelmed and hopeless, but there's hope. Just like Sarah, you can escape the debt trap and reclaim your financial well-being. The first step is acknowledging the problem and committing to change. It's time to take a hard look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Think of a budget as your financial GPS. Just like a GPS guides you to your destination, a budget helps you navigate your finances and reach your financial goals. It's about taking control of your money rather than letting it control you. With a budget, you'll know exactly where your money is going and make informed decisions about your spending. There are various budgeting methods available, but the core principle remains the same. Track your income and expenses. By understanding your cash flow, you can identify areas where you can save and allocate your funds more effectively. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and priorities. Remember, a budget is not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about making your money work for you so you can live a more fulfilling and financially secure life. It's time to ditch the financial stress and embrace the peace of mind that comes with knowing where your money is going. Section 5. Step by step to financial freedom. Crafting your budget. Ready to take charge of your finances and create a budget that works for you? Let's break it down into manageable steps. First, gather all your financial documents. Pay stubs, bank statements, bills, and any other relevant information. This will give you a clear picture of your income and expenses. Next, create a list of your monthly expenses. Categorize them into needs and wants. Needs are essentials like housing, food, and transportation. Wants are things that enhance your life but aren't essential, like entertainment and dining out. Be honest with yourself about your spending habits. Now it's time to set realistic financial goals. Do you want to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or invest in your future? Having clear goals will motivate you to stick to your budget. Finally, track your spending and review your budget regularly. Life is fluid and your budget should be too. Adjust as needed, celebrate your successes, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. Meet Mark, a hard-working single dad who was stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. He was tired of feeling stressed about money and wanted to provide a better future for his son. Mark decided to take control of his finances and started budgeting. At first, it was challenging. He had to make some tough choices and cut back on unnecessary expenses, but Mark was determined to break free from the financial struggle. He tracked his spending diligently, negotiated lower rates on his bills, and found creative ways to save money. Slowly but surely, he started to see progress. His debt began to shrink, and he was even able to start saving. Today, Mark is debt-free and enjoys financial peace of mind. He's no longer living paycheck to paycheck and can finally provide his son with the opportunities he deserves. Mark's story is a testament to the power of budgeting and a reminder that anyone can achieve financial freedom with discipline and determination. Hungry for more? Stay tuned. This is just the beginning of your journey to financial freedom. In the upcoming weeks, we'll delve deeper into specific strategies for tackling debt, boosting your savings, and investing wisely. We'll uncover the secrets of negotiating lower interest rates, explore different budgeting methods, and equip you with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. Get ready to discover the power of compound interest, learn how to build a solid emergency fund, and unlock the potential of investing for your future. We'll provide you with practical tips, actionable advice, and inspiring success stories to keep you motivated on your path to financial well-being. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, but with the right tools and mindset, you can overcome them and create a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Stay tuned for more insights and inspiration. Don't let financial stress control your life any longer. Take the first step towards financial freedom by creating a budget and taking control of your money. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. By making conscious choices about your spending and saving, you can achieve your financial goals and live a more fulfilling life. There are numerous resources available to help you on your journey. Seek guidance from financial advisors, explore online budgeting tools, and connect with others who are striving for financial well-being. Remember, you're not alone in this. Take action today and start building the financial future you deserve. It's time to break free from the chains of debt and embrace a life of financial peace and abundance. You've got this. We've covered a lot of ground in this essay, from the importance of budgeting to inspiring success stories. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. By implementing the simple yet powerful principles outlined here, you can take control of your finances and create a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back and set realistic financial goals. Remember, a budget is not a constraint, it's a roadmap to financial success. Celebrate your progress, stay persistent, and don't be afraid to seek help when needed. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom. We're excited to continue providing you with valuable insights and resources in the future. Please share your thoughts, questions, and success stories in the comments below. We're here to support you every step of the way. In my next video, I'll reveal the top 5 side hustles you can start today to boost your income. You won't want to miss it. I'll see you in the next video.